Hi, if you're an older woman and you love makeup and you still want to look fantastic, then welcome to Look Fabulous Forever. My name is Tricia Cusden, and in 2013 I backed my hunch that there'd be lots of other women out there who would love some makeup specifically formulated for older faces, eyes and lips. I also made a decision that we would have positive, pro-age, upbeat messages in everything that we said, and we would also use only age-appropriate models. In fact, not models, but real women, our friends and acquaintances, for all our images. So if you've come to be inspired, perhaps with a visit to the gallery to see lots of wonderful makeovers on women over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond, or maybe you want some hints and tips which you will get from all of our video tutorials. Maybe you've come to be entertained by reading one of my weekly blog posts where I write about what it means to be an older woman in the world today, or maybe you've just come to buy some really beautiful makeup. Whatever the reason for your visit, you're very welcome to Look Fabulous Forever.